Namaskar, I am Dr. D.R. Patnaik, India Medical Department, New Delhi. Today I will be discussing about the weather conditions that prevailed over different parts of India during last week and what we are expecting during next 2 weeks. The major feature of this week, the last week, that is from 25th April to 1st May, if we see the central part of India got hailstorm, and also the northern part of India, extreme northern part also got hailstorm. The heat wave was the major features, that is over the eastern part of India and southern peninsula, and also some coastal part of west coast. Then heavy rainfall also occurred over northeast India and part of extreme north India. So these major features are caused because of the prevailing synoptic conditions during the last weeks. If we see the major synoptic conditions that prevailed during last week, the impact of western disturbances that was coming from Iran side also have influence over the northern India, that is WD, western disturbance, Indo-cyclonic circulation, and over the central part also, Madhya Pradesh and area, that is cyclonic circulation prevail over that region. Then we have the wind discontinuity and north-south trough over South Peninsula, touching over Kerala and Tamil Nadu region. And over the northeast India also, we have trough from Bihar to Manipur, and also the cyclonic circulation over northeast India. So all these synoptic conditions that contributed the weather during last week. So yes, this is the rainfall, observed rainfall over the last week. If we see, yes, some part of extreme northern India, yes, you have got very good rainfall over Jammu Kashmir and adjoining states. Also the central India, as you have seen, also got good rainfall activity. The some part of the eastern coastal state of Odisha, South Peninsula, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and also you can see some yellow dots also, very heavy rainfall over northeastern state. And this is the graded rainfall about the same observed rainfall how we have got over northwest India and northern India actually, and northeast India. So if you see 27, 28, 29 and 30th, we have got good rainfall over extreme north India. Now come to the temperature, because this is a hot weather season, so we generally get the heat wave conditions over different parts of the country, and this is the maximum temperature, this is anomaly, that is deviation from normal, and this is the minimum temperature anomaly animation picture. Actually this is during the last week. If you see that, yes, red color, that is where the anomaly is positive, means 4 to 5 degrees, 6 degrees, 7 degrees, that is over eastern part, and also South Peninsula, mostly it is positive, whereas northwest India it is the negative anomaly, that temperature are below normal. Similarly, minimum temperature also you can see most of the days are here, which is high temperature, means above normal, but yeah, northwest India and adjoining central India it was the below normal. And this is the weekly pattern, means that was the animation day-to-day pattern, and if weekly pattern, this we see maximum temperature during the week 25th April to 1st May, and this is the deviation from the normal. If you see the deviation, yes, this is the pocket where the Ganga, West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha, all these three regions positive anomaly, means it is about 5 to 6 degree, even 7 degree also. This is noticed during the week. And South Peninsula also high temperature. And whereas this is northwest India and adjoining central India, it was the below normal, I mean negative anomaly. Similarly, minimum temperature also more or less similar patterns you can see here. And this is the average mean pattern, so that is also reflected, so that with the eastern part and South Peninsula part we got the high temperature. And as you see, as already I mentioned, what are the conditions, weather conditions? Yes, this is the heavy rainfall occur over the northern India, yes, and also on different dates, and also over the northeastern states. You can see here the heavy rainfall during the different dates occur over northeastern state. And hailstorm, because hailstorm also we got major over the central part of India, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra region, we got the hailstorm, and also over the northern India, that is your Punjab and your Uttarakhand and Jammu Kashmir, Delhi, this is so this is hailstorm also got means good amount of many days we have got hailstorm, and also over the some station over the northeastern India. Then heat wave. Heat wave, as I said, this is a major weather system, that heat wave disaster. We get a heat wave. So heat wave, all the entire state of eastern part. Actually, you can see coastal the Bihar, Jharkhand, Kangadi, West Bengal, Sub-Bengal, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, not Chhattisgarh. Then over the South Peninsula. So these are the regions we got heat wave or very severe heat wave during the week, and one night also in some places we got because of the high minimum temperature. Now coming to the rainfall, if you see the rainfall, actually, rainfall, it was not a very good week with respect to the rainfall activity for a country as a whole. If you should look at, this is the weekly rainfall, that is from 25th April to 1st May. Yes, northern India has got large excess rainfall, wherever you can read dark blue, and some part of the central India also. Otherwise, the yellow, red, etc., it is below normal, deficient or large deficient. Okay, so and quantitatively last week rainfall, if you see, it was the 12% less than normal. That means rainfall received was 12% less than normal, but northwest India we got very high rainfall, 135% above normal, whereas other region it was negative rainfall. So that's a country as a whole minus 12%. That means not a very good week with respect to rainfall. And this is a cumulative, because season start from 1st March to 1st May. If we see how the pattern looks, that is also country as a whole. Now it is now up to 1st May it was minus 14%. And if you see, look at this, that other part, central India is plus 78%. That's why you mostly can see the center part of the India blue color, and other regions, South Peninsula, yellow and red, that's why minus 69%. That means it has not got good rainfall over Southern Peninsula also during this season from the 1st March. And even the East Northeast India also red, means that is deficient. So that's why only we have got good rainfall over Central India and very normal rainfall over the Northwest India, that is plus 5%. Whereas your South Peninsula and Northeast India, it is deficient rainfall during the season. And the time series, this is a time series how actually from 1st March to 1st May the rainfall distribution, if you look at here, till this is from 1st March to 2nd May actually. 2nd May, today is 2nd May. So here this is for the All India figure. You can see All India, there are many days means it is less than normal. The red color is normal line, and this is the vertical figure, the day-to-day rainfall actually. So if you see many days less than normal, and cumulative rainfall is now minus 15% till from 1st March to your 2nd May is minus 15%. And the four homogeneous region also, Northwest India now it is 4% above normal, slightly close to normal. Central India is 75% above normal, good rainfall over Central India. And South Peninsula also, if you see, it is very negative, minus 69%, and Northeast India minus. So these two regions are below normal rainfall that we have received during the season. Today's synoptic conditions, means as we are expecting what are the likely weather that will prevail during next 2 weeks. So today's synoptic condition, if we see here, this is the synoptic conditions today. This is, you can see here that you want WD approaching actually from Iran, so it is far away right now at present. That is the WD thing. And another is cyclone circulation over Northeast India here, and another trough from South Chhattisgarh to your Tamil Nadu region, Tamil Nadu through Rayalaseema. So this is another trough. So not major systems are prevailing at present. And the high temperature, the maximum temperature that is recorded today, maximum temperature, the second, you can see here, this is the maximum temperature. So yes, many part of this belt is high temperature, more than 40 degree here, and this is the deviation from normal. So here you can see the red pocket, which anomaly of deviation from 4 to 5 degree, 6 degree above normal. So here also it is above normal. So these otherwise this Northwest India still it is below normal rainfall. That is the observation of today. And now we will see the forecast, because we are running different type of model, global model, coupled model. Now this is our global forecast system model. So that is forecast for next 7 days. So you can see how the system, yes, we are expecting good rainfall activity over the region also. And once the WD will pass and the forecast is indicating, and that will move towards the eastern side and will have influence over that part, and your good rainfall activity over the eastern coastal region and also northeast India. So this is a model forecast for next 7 days, wind as well as rainfall. And based on our forecast of different models, so how different multi-hazard early warnings that we are issuing for different hazardous weather. So this is firstly it is for heat wave. So heat wave, if we see, heat wave is likely to continue for 2 days, that is up to 3rd over many parts of the eastern belt and south peninsula, and gradually improve slightly after that, means less part will be over the heat wave, and you can see on 5th and 6th. So gradually there will be improvement after 2 days, otherwise the heat wave will be there over the most of the state in the coastal eastern and the south peninsula. And this is the warm night. Warm night means this is the warm night, high minimum temperature in the night. So some belt over the, that is warm night, Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal region, and also some part over the south peninsula. So that is the region, so that we are expecting temperature will be, minimum temperature will be high. So to have the warm night. And this is now the hailstorm, because hailstorm, yes, it is, I miss one state we have identified, the Odisha also likely to get hailstorm during the first day only, otherwise after that it will reduce. Rainfall warnings, as you have seen, our model indicated good rainfall activity over the northeast India, and that's why we have given the warning and rainfall over, mainly over the northeast India. And today also rainfall warning is there, and then next 5th and 6th May also we are expecting, means a heavy rainfall warning. That's why that place have been identified with red color warning. Orange and red color are there. Now we also run the extended range forecast, that is means couple model, just to have idea about the next 2 weeks what we are expecting, whether rainfall is going to be above normal or whether temperature is likely to be above normal. So we run couple model. So based on this couple model, this is the 2 weeks rainfall forecast from up to, that is for till 9th of May, and that is for till 16th of May, week 1 and week 2. And this is the anomaly, means above normal or below normal compared to the normal. So here the forecast, if we see here, this is the rainfall. We are expecting that northern India, especially WD rainfall is there. South Peninsula also we are expecting rainfall. Even northeast India, good rainfall activity is likely there. That is also reflected in our global model. And so, and the deviation, if you see above normal, that's why mostly this part northeast India above normal rainfalls are expected, and some of the eastern coastal region and south peninsula. So that is also same situation in the week 1 and week 2. That's why these are the belt, wherever these colors are there, we are expecting above normal, and wherever this is a strong negative, it is below normal. And in a white color, so that means it is mostly normal. So that means parts of the northwest here, means northeast India and center, it is normal to above normal we are expecting during the both week. And this is the maximum temperature. Since this is the hot weather season, this is the maximum temperature forecast for week 1, 3rd to 9th May, 10 to 16th May. This is the anomaly. So again, the anomaly means is positive anomaly over eastern part and your Gangetic West Bengal region and South Peninsula and western coastal region also. So this is the week 1 condition, and in week 2 condition also more or less same, but yes, some part of northwest India also there will be a positive anomaly that is also indicated as whether in the yellow color. So this is the week 1 forecast and week 2 forecast of the maximum temperature. And the cyclogenesis, this is also a cyclone season, pre-monsoon season, but at present we are not expecting high probability of cyclogenesis during the next 2 weeks as it is indicated in our model forecast. So this is all about our the past weather past week weather conditions and the subsequent 2 weeks of forecast, and all these informations are available through our social media network, and different apps are there, and you can follow the any of the links that is given here to get your day-to-day forecast for the desired location. Thank you very much. Namaskar.